Hey guys, thank you for tuning in to another video here. We're just gonna do a little quick unboxing. We got the A53 5G ultra wideband Verizon variant, so we can have the ultra wideband for millimeter wave. Then we got the OnePlus 10 Pro 5G, and then we got the Samsung A53 5G, which is the sub 6 model. So I'm gonna do a time lapse, guys. We're gonna unbox these things. We're just gonna make it quick, show you the phone around real quick, and then probably include some clips of videos of the phones, of doing like photography, some pictures stuff. I'll include that towards the end. But I'll put the specs. I'll put the specs to each phone somewhere here in the text or something. I'll put it in. All right, let's get this unboxing done. Let's set these phones up. Let's go a little time lapse, and then yeah, we'll go from there. All right, guys, the phones are unboxed. We got them all unboxed. We're gonna get ready to turn them on. I'm gonna set them up, set the Gmail up, everything, and we will get these phones 100% ready to go. And then we'll do some testing with them real quick, and then we'll do some recording and include it at the end of this video. We ended up getting the emerald green, guys, as you can see. There she is. Also, let's see what's in the box on the OnePlus 10 Pro. We got a charging brick. This looks like let's see here, 45 watt brick. And it's USB-C to C as usual. A nice OnePlus touch. And it also comes with the USB-C to A dongle for you guys trying to basically get your data off your old phone to your new phone. Makes it a lot easier. So let's put this away. Let's put this box away. Let's see what else came in the box. Your welcome starter packs and all that good stuff, and then OnePlus stickers. All right, so we'll just put this away. All right, let me get the phone set up, guys, and we'll be right back. All right, we got the OnePlus 10 Pro set up. So now it's to the home screen. We put the case on it. This is how it looks with the case. It's real nice. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna set up the A53 5G, and we're only gonna set up one of them because the other one's gonna be about the same anyway. So let me get this set up. Let me get this going and get it set up for y'all. There you go, guys. This one's set up already. A53, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the wrapper off. Here you guys go. There you guys go. This is the Metro / T-Mobile branded one, because we were like, you know what, even though the unlock one would have been nice, but regardless, you can't beat $49.99 at Metro when you put in a number, so why not? So there you guys go. That's what it looks like right there. And then we got this one at Best Buy, the A53 5G ultra wideband. For the reason for the ultra wideband, I gotta call Verizon real quick, get it unlocked, because even though we paid full price at Best Buy, they still lock it for some odd reason, even though you pay full price. Weird, I know. Oh, optimizing. Okay, so it's setting up. So yeah, these phones are set up, guys. They're updating. We're gonna get that going, and then after that, I'm gonna include actually some video on both of them, some pictures and stuff, and that's how we'll conclude this video, guys. You know, other than that, yeah, thank you for tuning in. Appreciate y'all for another unboxing video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. You know, I know it's not much, but we try. You know, I'm not like no Mr. Professional at it, but we give it our all. All right, let's put the case on it real quick before we end this video. So let's see here. There we go. She has a case. All right, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Enjoy the footage here that I'm going to put in with these cameras. Peace. Hey guys, we're recording with the A53 5G. This is the Samsung A53 5G video. 4K, 60 frames. You guys see the coloring, the sky. There you guys go. 4K, 60 frames. Look, we got some doggies over there. Okay, the greens on the trees, the green on the grass. You guys tell me how this quality is. You guys let me know. Does the mic pick up my voice good? We are not using external mic. We are using the actual mic of the phone. All right, guys, this is recording in 4K 60 frames, 4K 60 frames per second. Look at that detail. That's good detail right there. Great coloring, guys, on 4K 60 frames per second. And that's it, guys. We're going to conclude this. Thank you for tuning in. Greatly appreciate y'all. And greatly appreciate to all the channel members that support the channel, and also for all the donations that are given to the channel. Greatly appreciate y'all, and we'll catch you in the next one. Thank you for tuning in. Remember to hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you're always notified when we upload content. Have a great one. Peace.